Howdy! Let's take a look at the cold smoke generators from Smoke Daddy Inc. What is a cold smoker? The cold smoker attaches to your grill and gives you all the smoky flavor with or without the heat. This is great for smoking salmon or cheese where you don't want the heat, or it enhances the flavor of your steak and ribs. It comes in 3 sizes, the 8-inch, the Big Kahuna, and the Magnum. Let's go to Dan to find out how to install the cold smoker on our grill.
Hi everybody, it's Dan from Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grills. I'm here to do a little installation video on our cold smoke generator. It includes a step drill bit that you use with any type of corded or cordless drill. You want to pre-drill your hole at the lowest point on your grill. That way the smoke can rise up and disperse more evenly. You're going to take the cylinder, our threaded outlet tube, you're going to take one of the 3/4 inch locking nuts, put it about maybe a 1/2 inch away from the end like this. You're going to insert it, then take the second washer, then you're going to take the bottom screen, place that in the inside. It's going to have a clip to hold that in place. So take the threaded shoot across tube, you insert that into the small threaded hole here, and then you tighten only finger tight. We're going to take another lock nut here, and then you want about 1 inch away clearance between the cylinder wall and the grill wall. We put a large washer on here first, and we're going to put that into the side here. Take another large washer, put that on the inside, then you take your last 3/4 inch nut. So we're going to take the bottom cap along with one of these black heat resistant knobs, and it's going to act like a set screw to hold that bottom cap in place. Followed by the top cap, silicone hose that attaches to the brass fitting here, fully adjustable air pump. And you have a dial here that you can adjust the amount of smoke you're looking for. So that runs off of a 110 volt outlet.
If you have a ceramic grill, such as the Big Green Egg, there's an adapter available to make the cold smoker work for you. Just put your wood chips in and light it with a torch. Cold smokers from Smoke Daddy Inc. are handmade in the USA by a family-owned business. Thanks for checking it out. Happy grilling.
Who's your smoke daddy?